This is exactly what I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making it with two different materials, with stretch and unstretch. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in knowing how they are made, please keep watching. This is a metallic material, golden color, and this is unstretch and polo material, stretch on both sides. The measurement I have here is 8 inches by 19 inches, and the one I'm going to add elastic on the back. I'm going to make two different types, one with elastic on the back and the other one without elastic on the back, which is the stretch material without elastic. And this non-stretch metallic material, I will sew elastic on the back. This one is stretch material, thick stretch material, there's no elastic on the back. 8 inches by 19 inches, and the one to sew elastic on the back, 3 inches by 15.5 inches. I will cut this one into two. Remember the measurement I have here, 8 inches by 19 inches. After cutting into two, then I have 8 inches by 9.5 inches, 8 inches by 9.5 inches. So what I will do now is to sew here and sew here. I will also bring this one this way and sew here. I will bring the right side out. I will iron. I will bring the right side. This is where I sew, and this is where I sew. I will bring the two together like this. The two together, that I will shift this one to the center of the back, and the back is on the center of this one. I will bring this one this way. I will bring this one to this place, and I will bring this one to this place. I will sew here. Let me explain again. I bring the two together like this. This is where I sew. This is where I sew. Where the line is, where I sew, is on my side, and where the line is here, where I sew, is on this side. I will bring this to the center of where I sew, and this one, this very one, is on the center of where I sew, like this. I will bring this one to cross to this way, and I will bring this one to cross on the back. This one is on this side, and this one is facing me. I will sew here. Stick. I will measure elastic. I have one inch. This is 1 inch by 6 inches. One inch by 6 inches. I will hold here with pin. I will sew here, and I will continue. I will sew here, I will sew here. I'm done sewing. I will trim here. And I will bring this way. I will place on the center and bring to this way in like this and sew. I will do the same on this side and sew. I'm done sewing. For the stretch material, the measurement here is 8.5 inches. I will use 23 inches. 23 inches because it's a stretch material. This one is 23 inches plus the elastic. I use 23 inches on my head circumference. After adding elastic, when I put it on, it will fit my head. 23 inches. Because this one is stretch material, I'm going to use 23 inches because I will sew here. I'm not adding sewing allowance. 23 inches. I will fold into two like this and sew. I'm done sewing. I will bring the right side out. Like this. Sew here. This is how it looks like. This elastic on the back, this without elastic, stretch material, stretch polo material, metallic material, and stretch material. You can sew design on the side. If you are sewing it for a little girl, you can sew design like this on the side. I'm going to sew this on the side of the black one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.